All right, so basically, I compiled a list right here of online survey websites. This is not going to be including stuff like inbox dollars or, um, uh, I don't know what they have out there. Just the regular stuff that they show you. You look up um, paid online surveys or whatever, and they give you like a list. Let me see. 12 paid online survey sites to make money. Every website has the same stuff: branded surveys, blah, inbox dollars, my points, opinion outpost, survey junkie, Swagbucks, blah blah blah. Literally every website has pretty much the same stuff. All right, and I came across this video that has 256,000 views of this guy talking about 10 survey sites that I actually use. And this is no hate towards this guy. I'm pretty sure, if this is working for him, then this is working for him. Um, Kudos to him, right? But I just kind of wanted to review all of those websites that he mentioned. Um, some of them I haven't tried. Um, a lot of them I have tried, and I want to give you guys my personal what has worked for me. The rundown before you try these websites, or just to give you a like, I don't know, to give you an idea of what to expect from these websites, if they're worth it, and if you actually can make good money. Let's talk about Prolific first. Prolific, I'm not going to even go on the website. I'm just going to explain this to you. Prolific basically is a survey website. Let's see. And apparently you can get paid like a lot of money. You can get paid a lot of money for the surveys that you do. But unfortunately, they have a wait list. So you can't even sign up. You can't even sign up. You can join the wait list, but who knows how long the wait list is. Prior years, I don't even know. You could try to join the wait list though, and maybe eventually you will get an email, and maybe they will let you in. But from what I've always, I just have written that off, right? Swagbucks. Swagbucks. I actually like Swagbucks, and I have a whole video that I will make about Swagbucks. And I've made videos in the past as well. But of course, you can go to Answer, and they have surveys. This is okay. So this is how the Swagbucks points work. Um, so this is basically $30. So 00, and then you put a dot right there, and then these, what I'm saying? So this would basically be equivalent to $30. I have 78 Swagbucks currently because I just redeemed some. So this would be the equivalence of 78 cents. All right. So that's kind of how it works. So $30 for 34 minutes. I'm just gonna click choose another survey just to get out of that. But that's definitely a great. But usually they have you do something extra, like in-store candy follow-up survey. Yeah. So typically they want you to probably go into a store and like take some pictures or something. But I feel like it would still be worth it for $30. You know what I'm saying? You go to the store anyway, and then you have these $1, 2.50. Now $2.50 for 134 minutes is not worth it. Sometimes they have stuff on here that is just not worth it. 50 cents for 10 minutes. I don't know. $4 for 23 minutes would be pretty decent, So yeah. They also have they have all types of stuff. Like, I'll do a whole review of this website later, because yeah. But basically, you can do play these games, and when you get to a certain level, you get money. So this is $15. So complete Arena 7 in 7 days, and then does not require purchase, and then um, yeah, you'll get $15. So they have a ton of games that you can play to get, you know, extra bonus points. Like they have a ton of games here. All right. So yeah, I think that Swagbucks is pretty legit. I mean, it's definitely legit. All these websites are legit, but I'm just saying, like, I just kind of want to show how much money I don't know. It's really hard to show, but I just cashed out $50. PayPal $50. You know, so Swagbucks is definitely a great website. Pretty much. So I approve of Swagbucks. Pinecone Research is pretty much in the same boat as Prolific. They have a wait list, so I can't really tell you much of anything about that. D Scout, I never tried D. Well, I have tried D Scout, but I'll just say that I never qualified for anything on D Scout, so I don't know. Maybe I'd be willing to try it again, and maybe I can give you an updated whatever. But yeah, I've never really had much luck with them. User testing. I like user testing. I wish they had more websites like user testing that actually gives you the opportunities that you. Right now, they've given me three screeners to go through. I'm not going to really go through that right now, but what I'm going to show you is test history. I've been using user testing on and off for like years or whatever, like very lightly. I've made like $1,000 just using them very, very casually. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, whatever. Just using them very, very casually, I've made $1,196. I have a $15 that are pending that should be coming to my account soon. And basically, this website, um, so like basically, I took this test on the 28th, and I should be getting paid on December 5th. So that just shows you get paid a week after you take your test. So if I were to take a test today, I would get paid a week from today. I wouldn't get that money immediately, but yeah, so it's pretty legit. I've made some pretty good money on this website. Um, and I can only imagine if I really took this website more seriously and I've actually did take tests on a regular basis, try to log in every single day and take tests, I probably definitely could make more. You also get an incentive to make more. There's not any right here, but you have an opportunity to make 30 uh, or to $60 for webcam type of surveys, like where someone you schedule something and someone can talk to you through a webcam and ask you questions if you qualify, and you can make $30 or $60 that way as well. And the $30 and $60, like for example, $30 is for 30 minutes and $60 is for 60 minutes. I've done some of those in the past, and easy money. Okay, Google Opinion Rewards and SurveyMonkey. I'm not gonna even really talk about them too much because literally um very low opportunity and very, very low pay, so wouldn't even recommend these two. mturk, I would love to recommend this website, but once again they have like some type of wait list or something. Basically when you sign up for mturk, you're immediately not qualified. Like they immediately tell you that you are not accepted, and I've looked online to see if it's just me if I did something wrong, but literally everybody gets that. Any new person who signs up for mturk, you just automatically get rejected from working there. So I don't know what that's all about. Some people have said after a while they will approve of you after a few months or something like that. I don't know. I never tried mturk, so you know it sucks that you don't even have an opportunity. Some of these websites, it just really sucks that you don't even have an opportunity to even try these websites because they have a wait list or they automatically reject you. It must show that they are pretty good, right? But it really sucks that just anyone can't have an opportunity to get started, I guess. And I think that's probably the name of the game, to be honest with you. If anyone and everyone can just do something starting out, then you know it probably isn't gonna be something good or worthwhile, I guess. I don't know. Crowd tap, I've never tried this one before, but lastly, we're gonna talk about QMe. As you can see, some of these I actually have like bookmarked. QMe is a great website. As you can see right here, I'll do a review all on QMe as well. They have some pretty decent paying surveys. $1, $3, $1, $2. See, $1.95 for 5 minutes is worth it to me. Even this one is pretty worth it. I mean, 24 minutes. I usually don't like doing anything over 20 minutes. But this $3 one for 15 minutes is definitely worth it. And you never run out of surveys on QMe, ever, ever, ever. Now you may start running out of the high paying surveys, and they might start, only give after a while they might just only give you the lower paying ones if you are just constantly on this website, but they always give you something. And then over here, if you log in for 5 days straight, even if you just do like a poll or answer a little question that they have here at the bottom, they'll do something fun. You could just do this. I don't have a pet or whatever. And then that unlocks them. So you can just do that for 5 days and you'll get a streak. So when you get a streak, you will start to get. They'll pay you. They'll give you like 5 cents more per survey or something like that. And then you can unlock even more if you are even more active. So you can take a survey that can be 150 up to 160. So that's like an extra 10 cents. Okay. Um, of course, they also have a gaming section, so you can download games and make money as well. They got one for $97. Obviously, the ones that pay a lot more money are ones that are a lot more difficult to achieve. I've even heard that you have to pay in app just to achieve certain levels, but the profit would be worth it. You know what I'm saying? So $93, don't think that that's something easy to do. You know what I'm saying? Maybe the easy ones are the 150 or maybe even the $14. Even this, they're pretty difficult. They're pretty difficult. Any times you're doing the games, they want you to get to a certain level at a certain point in time. And it's not as easy as you may think, but yeah. And I just kind of want to show you, I have made over $800 with QMe. Once again, just on and off using this website. Um, so yeah, um, not even taking it seriously, but just casually using it. That month I made $28. There was a month where I made $2, $5, $4, $12. If I just felt like I needed some extra money, then I would just yeah, the cool thing about QMe is that they pay you instantly. So when you finish a survey, you can instantly transfer it to your PayPal. So I just think that that's really good. I wanted to go to Swagbucks and I wanted to see if they could show me how much money I've made. Like, oh, lifetime amount of money that I made on Swagbucks is, let me see, $126. Okay, it's not bad. So, and I especially didn't used to use Swagbucks. Now I'm starting to use them more now, but yeah, check out these websites. This is my review of these websites. Let me know what you guys think. These are the only 3 websites that I would recommend out of this whole list. Unless you're able to get into any of these restricted ones that I've talked about. Other than that, this is my reviews of these websites. Let me know what you guys think, and the links for these 3 will be in the descriptions. Other than that, I will talk to you guys later.